Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we're talking about CashMagnet, a passive smartphone paying app that you can use to make some extra money. And specifically, we're going to be talking about watch and install, which is one of the features that you can use on CashMagnet. And reason you're going to want to use this: one, you're going to get extra points. Two, it's one of the requirements for leveling up. And what I've noticed today is you can actually increase your passive time using watch and install. Now, before this video, I actually did a watch and install on a phone that had 0 passive time left. I had all the games installed. If you watch my previous video, all the sponsored games installed, but I had no passive time. And I did one watch and install, and I gained all my passive time, maximum amount, which is about almost 24 hours. Pretty much 24 hours. Now, we're at the home screen right now. And just to show you guys what I'm talking about as far as games goes, you can click on your games right here. If you click on Now, the first portion is your sponsored games that you're going to install in the beginning to increase your passive time. And at the bottom, you'll see your watch and installs. Now, how watch and installs work, they're on your phone for 5 days. I'm at a level 3 right now on my phones. And this level is per phone, so you could have different levels on different phones depending on how far you are in the requirements for leveling up. But watch and install is going to increase your level from 3 to 4. What's going to happen, you're going to get more points on your passive time. See, look, I've done 4, and it says to go to level 4 I need to do 5 watch and installs. So I did 4, I need to do 5 successfully. And then I'm going to get more points on my games, more points on my watch and installs. Right now I'm at 440 on my current level. So there's 2 ways to do a watch and install that I've noticed. One is from passive time. While you're in passive time, and we'll start this phone right here. Put that guy in passive time. Now, keep an eye on this icon up at the top. That's going to tell you that CashMagnet is running, and you're going to be able to make your passive points, and you're using your passive time. So one way to do a watch and install is by clicking this star right here, or from the home screen you can actually click the watch and install button. So let's do them both. It's going to come up with a prompt here asking you to start it, the whole process, and it's going to ask you for screen capture permission. Just hit allow. Same thing happens when you hit the star. Start the process. Now what it's going to do, see, this phone was already running CashMagnet. This phone just started it after I did the watch and install. It's going to look for ads for applications that you can download and add them to your watch and install list. So while it's doing its thing, let's start up this one. Now, by the way, these are LG Rebel 3s, if you're curious. Why I got these phones, they're better phones to phone farm with as far as CashMagnet goes, because they have a higher data amount. Compared to your standard, like 8 gigabytes of data, I'm going to have 16 gigabytes of data. So I have more room on my phones to download these apps. And less problems as far as like, you know, the phone getting all cluttered up and not working the way it should. Now this one just got an ad. So one thing you can do is you can interact with the ad, and sometimes it will take you to Google. There we go. And then look for the prompt. It should ask you to install it. Sometimes. Oh, this one got it. Let's install both of these. Remember, I did this one with the button, and I did this one with the star in passive mode. But we're going to install on both of these. And this phone didn't have maximum passive time, remember. And as you can see, there's your icon. You know that CashMagnet's working. You see the download symbol, it's downloading. You're all good. You just gotta wait for that download to finish. Yeah, did you see how it said that? Please install this app. Click on it. Now once the app is installed, you'll get another prompt that will tell you you've earned so many points, and for level 3 it's 440 points. Now watch it, you're gonna see it right here. You're not gonna get your full amount of points until the last day hits. For the, there, see, I installed it. There's the Google Play symbol right there. There we go. There's the prompt I was just telling you about. So it's got to be on your phone for 5 days. Then you're going to get the full amount of points. Boom. Oh, I leveled up too. Nice. Because I did my 5th watch and install on this. So we just did 2 on here. Now as far as the points go, let's go to, you can go to the tab up here, and I think it's that one right there. Kind of looks like a wallet. CashMagnet points are every 1,000 is $1, but if you actually bank on it, Amazon gift card at $25, you're getting a 1,000 point discount, which is pretty cool. PayPal is cool because you can use it anywhere, but you will get a fee on that. I always just do Amazon. I've never missed a payment with CashMagnet. They've always paid me. Really good about that. Another thing to note with watch and installs, do you see this exclamation point with the circle around it? If you're on your home screen and it's in your game section, it's actually that's trying to tell you that maybe one of your watch and installs is done. So you'll see it right here, and then you can click on it, go down to your watch and installs, and it'll tell you. See, like this one has, this game Magic Puzzles has 3 more days left till I finish it. But if you do finish a watch and install, it'll say 0 and you're good to go. Now another thing to note, we just did watch and installs on these 2 phones. We used the button on this one and the star on this one. But take a look at this. Remember how I said to keep an eye out for the CashMagnets running? I don't see anything about CashMagnet running. Neither on this phone. See that? You don't see that icon? CashMagnet is not running. But we want it to run. One, because if CashMagnet's running, you're earning your passive time. Now you're going to earn those points after those 5 days on that watch and install regardless, no matter what. But if you got your CashMagnet running, or if you got your CashMagnet up, you want it running. You want that icon or to say it's running. So one thing you can do is close everything out, restart it, and see if you can hit that start button. But I notice sometimes the start button gets locked and it won't start up your CashMagnet. So a very simple way to fix that is just restart your phone and then reopen CashMagnet, and you should be able to hit that start button. But after these phones load up, we'll see if I'm able to start it. If not, we'll do a restart. Now remember, this one was missing the full amount of passive time. Got the full passive time. I don't know why that one says 0. Let's see what it had. Yeah, 24 hours, we're good. Let's try to start it. Boom. You're good. See the icon? You're running CashMagnet. And it's okay. If you just do a watch and install, usually it's going to go right to the game that you just installed. And it's going to just be chilling on that. But it's okay if it does that. You're still earning your passive time. As, you know, versus just running the phone in start. Yeah, they'll even give you a prompt too. Like, it's okay if you... I don't have to do anything. CashMagnet's running. See? Don't worry about it. It's just the same. Whether you're on a game or you're on passive time, it's both considered passive time. So yeah, that's it for CashMagnet. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.